What's up guys, Daljit here. In this video I'll be unboxing this amazing aftermarket lens kit for your smartphone. Before we get to the video, hit the subscribe button and bell icon so you get notified when we upload next time. A big thanks to APEXEL sending this lens kit over for a review. There is a link in the description box, feel free to check them out. Clear description what you get inside this box. Let's open this up. In this box you will get a carry pouch to store your lenses after use, a user guide for this lens kit, and a microfiber cloth to clean your lenses. First thing you will find on this kit, a mounting adapter for your lenses. From the first content of this package, this lens kit seems pretty premium quality because this mounting bracket is CNC machined aluminium bracket. This mounting bracket designed to support dual camera setup. So on the devices with dual camera setup, you can use this lens kit on either of your camera sensors. In this carry pouch, you will find your lenses individually packed in silicone cases, which are nicely labeled to keep you organized with this lens kit. This lens kit is absolutely premium quality. You're dealing with really high quality lenses made out of aluminum and actual glass. So this is the first lens of this kit, 110 degree wide angle lens. So this will provide a little bit more field of view in your frame as compared to the stock lens of your mobile device. So in this picture you can see side by side how much more you can cover with this 110 degree wide angle lens. Second one, we have 170 degree ultra wide angle lens. In this first image, you can see 170 degree ultra wide angle lens directly up against the iPhone 7 stock camera lens. In this second image, 110 degree wide angle lens up against the 170 degree ultra wide angle lens. Third lens is 195 degree fisheye lens. And this is side by side with the stock camera lens and 195 degree fisheye lens. And this is what it looks like when you compare these three wide angle lenses side by side. This is the most excited and the heaviest lens of this lens kit. You can call it 2x telephoto lens or you can call it portrait lens. And this is what it looks like side by side. In the 2x telephoto lens, you can clearly see the background is a bit more compressed and blurred. So the last lens of this kit is the 10x macro lens. With this lens you can get a bit more close to your subject and can capture really nice and crisp shots. I find this lens very useful for product photography or videography because this sort of macro shot wasn't possible on my mobile device. Here are some more camera samples taken with this lens kit.